In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bracket in Google Docs. If you need to add brackets for writing, coding, or math, Google Docs gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the most direct method using your keyboard, and then I'll show you another option you can use when working inside an equation. The first method is the easiest. You can simply type brackets with your keyboard. This works well for the most common bracket styles, including parentheses, square brackets, curly braces, and angle brackets. So if you just need to insert regular brackets into a sentence, a note, or a basic expression, typing them directly is usually the fastest choice. These bracket types are commonly used in different situations. Parentheses are often used in everyday writing and explanations. Square brackets can be useful for citations or edits. Curly braces are common in coding and some math formats. Angle brackets may also appear in technical writing or formulas. So before using the second method, it helps to know that for standard text, the keyboard option is usually all you need. Now let's look at the second method, which is especially useful when you want to insert brackets as part of an equation in Google Docs. To begin, go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, choose Symbols and then click Equation. This opens the equation tools so you can work with math formatting more easily. Once the equation option is active, look at the toolbar and click New Equation. This tells Google Docs that you want to create a math expression and gives you access to the equation controls. Next, choose Math Operations from the equation toolbar. This section includes a variety of symbols and formatting options used in mathematical expressions. From there, you can select the bracket you want to use. This method is helpful when you need brackets that fit properly within an equation, or when you want your mathematical content to look more polished and structured inside the document. So to recap, if you're adding common brackets in regular text, typing them on your keyboard is the quickest method. But if you're working inside an equation, using the Insert menu and the equation toolbar gives you more control and better formatting. That's one of the easiest ways to create a bracket in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.